Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna prepare for my trip to Guam. So today I'm gonna show you what I will pack for Guam trip. So the first product is a primer, which is this LH Cosmetics Matte Attack Primer. So this is not liquidy at all and keeps my oil at bay for like several hours. So my last trip abroad was in the year before last, in summer 2022, which was the trip to Greece. So now the primer is applied and my skin feels completely dry and matte. So the foundation I'm gonna use today is this Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. This seems to be an Asia exclusive foundation, but basically this is very thin and matte liquid foundation. I'm using the shade W30, which is the deepest in Japan. So I think that is crazy because my skin is not the deepest. So this is the skin after applying the foundation. Yeah, this feels pretty matte. And I'm gonna take this one size ultimate setting powder in translucent because this is the mini size one. Yeah, this powder is very mattifying. If you are looking for some mattifying powder, I can recommend this to you. And for the eyebrow, I'm gonna use this Kevyn Aucoin the contour duo. I'm gonna use this contour shade, this one, as usual. And I'm gonna use this eyebrow mascara from Dejavu. This is a Japanese brand. And this is colored like pinky purple. So today I'm gonna use the pink colored eyeshadow. So I'm gonna match eyebrow and eyeshadow. So my eyebrows are colored in pink. And I'm gonna use Anastasia eye primer as usual. This is a little bit too white to me. Yeah, this primer is a little bit too white. And for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this Matte Cosmetics Season Party Stack. This is now sold as a palette. So this stack format is discontinued, but the shade is the same, basically. So first I'm gonna use this pale pink shimmery shade as a base. And next I'm gonna use this shade. And next I'm gonna use this shade. So lastly, I'm gonna use this darkest shade. I'm gonna add a little bit of this color. I'm cleaning up the under eye with a sponge. So this is the eye look with seasoning powder stuck from Melt. So for blush, I'm gonna use this SUQQU melting powder blush in the shade number 10, Okuhibiki, like this pinky shade. And for highlighter, I'm gonna use this Lila Mascara Beyond Powder in the shade OMG. This is my all-time favorite highlighter because this like peachy sheen is very beautiful. This is so pretty. And for mascara base, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Lashinista Primer. And for mascara, I used this Eyeputti Beauty Mascara. This is so good, like this doesn't smudge at all day. I don't know this is available from the other countries, but this mascara is marketed for like moderate people. So this has very strong color keep power. So if you are looking for very strong waterproof mascara, I highly recommend checking this out. And lastly for eyes, I'm gonna introduce this glitter. This is from Wonjonyo and SUQQU. This is like collaboration product. Wonjonyo is a Japanese brand founded by a Korean makeup artist, and SUQQU is founded by a Japanese influencer. So basically this is like liquid glitters. for lower lash line, and you can apply glitters with this brush. So I'm gonna apply glitter on this side. Like this. Yeah, this is very pretty. Yeah, this kind of glitter is very popular in Japan right now. So lastly for lips, I'm gonna use this NARS Power Matte Lipstick in the shade Warm Leatherette. This is the new color in Japan. So this lipstick applies really smoothly first, and then this dries down and fix. And this is transfer proof. Yeah, I really like this formula. And also I really like this lipstick face, really evenly, not patchy. So yeah, this is one of the best long-lasting lipsticks I ever tried. So the makeup is done and this is the final look. So I'm going to Guam with this makeup look. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So see you on the next video. Bye.